Bose, y'all did your big one with this one. I never really cared about over-ear headphones until I owned these, and they come with a aux like headphone jack converter. They come with the charger as well, but it's off to the side. But these are so comfortable. Look how squishy. Look how squishy. I wear these I can wear these for a long time. My ears never hurt. They never get tired. I've never had an issue. I love these things. Now, was this a lot? Yes it was. The charge, it holds really good, but if you are someone like me who sometimes forgets to turn it off, I do sometimes drain my whole charge, but it charges back up really fast, which I appreciate. Just on the Bose app, I control what it can connect to. It connects up to 2 devices at one time, but I can connect up to more and just pick, if I'm working off the computer, the iPad, you name it, I can just easily bounce from device. Also, I love the case it came in. I know it's random, but they fold up really nicely. Surprising how small they can fold up. But I use these on the plane, on the way to work, while walking, while I work out. They go everywhere. So yes, high price, crazy good quality. Highly recommend.